very pleasing to see is the outcome that the Namibian banking sector is healthy. And there are no losers, nobody should feel left out really. It's just that in all rankings, things are such that some will come on top and so forth. It's a natural process. And I'm very happy that it's a culmination of many things. It's an environment in which we operate from a policy perspective, as well as regulatory. And obviously, where you have regulatory, you have us as players, there will always be an element of tension. And it should be like that. If there is no tension, there is no growth, and there is no effort. The regulator, on the other hand, wants to ensure that the depositors' money, assets are protected, and that we are being in compliance with the rules and laws of the land.